Now we are going to the application of trigonometry, solution of triangles. So there is a diagram given here. We need to find out the value for B. So if you can find AB and A, subtract you get B. So the question is to find out B. So find out AB first, then AE, then subtract. Okay, this is a rectangle. BCD is a rectangle. So if this is 30, this will be 30. Because opposite sides of rectangle are equal. Now, take this triangle ADA, then triangle ACB. We can't take the triangle ACD because that's not a rectangle triangle. So let's take first triangle ADA. AD, 30 the angle there. So tan 30 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is AE, adjacent is DE. But tan 30 is 1 upon root 3. So 1 upon root 3 is AE by this is 30, we already got it because this 30 means this 30. Tan 30 is 1 upon root 3, AE by 30. Now cross multiplying, AE will be equal to 30 by root 3. Rationalize the denominator, multiply and divided by root of 3. So become 30 root 3 divided by 3. 3 will cut with 30 giving you 10. 10 into root of 3 which is 10 into 1.732. So 17.32. So we got AE, 17.32. Now let's take the triangle ABC. ABC. Again use tan. So tan 60 is equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is AB, adjacent is BC. But tan 60 is the root of 3. So root of 3 AB by BC is 30. So cross multiply you get AB to be equal to 30 root 3. That is 30 into 1.732 which is when you multiply you get 51.96. Now the question is to find out BA. But B is AB minus A. AB we already got it. AB we got it as 51.96 and AE we got it as 17.32. Subtract you get 34.64. So this is how you go. We want to find out BA. So find out AB, then AE, subtract it. So for finding out AE, use this triangle ADA. Tan 30 is opposite by adjacent. Tan 30 value put it and you get this value. Now to get AB, take the full triangle ABC. Tan 60 degrees is equal to opposite by adjacent. AB by 30, cross multiply 30 into root 3 which got it 51.96 and now we can get BA. AB minus AE 51.96 minus 17.32 which gives you 34.64 meters. Now let's take another question. The triangle is given here. We need to find out CD. So how do we get CD? Find out BC, then find out BD if you subtract it. BC minus BD will give you CD. Now the triangle to be considered are ABD and ACD. We cannot take the triangle ACD because that is not a rectangle triangle. So we have to consider triangle ABD and ABC. So let's go to the triangle ABC first. So for the triangle ABC, tan 45 will be equal to opposite by adjacent. Opposite is AB, adjacent is BC. So tan 45 is AB by BC. Tan 45 is, we know that it's 1 and AB given to be 60 meters divided by BC. Cross multiply get BC to be 60. So we got the complete length BC to be 60 meters. Now coming to the triangle ABD. We can't take the triangle ACD again, I say, because it's not a rectangle triangle. Take the triangle ABD. So ABD triangle tan 60 again is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is AB, adjacent is BD. But we know that tan 60 value is root 3. Root of 3 is 60 by BD. Cross multiply BD goes here, root 3 comes down. So BD is 60 upon root 3. We have learned rationalization. So multiply top and down by root of 3. So 60 root 3 into root 3 which is 3. 3 cut to the 60 20 times. 20 into root 3 which is 20 into root of 3 value 1.73. That you have to memorize it. So multiply you get 34.64. So now we get CD. CD is BC minus BD. BC is 60, we got it. And BD we got 34.64, subtract you get 25.36. So this is how you get it. We need to find out CD. So get BC, later get BD and subtracting. So to get BC, use the full triangle, tan 45 applied, tan 45 is 1, so you get BC. To get BD, use tan 60 for the triangle ABD. So you apply tan 60 is root 3, we get like this, and you get BD to be 20 root 3, 20 into 1.732, which is 34.64. Now to get CD, BC minus BD. BC is 60 and BD is 34.64, subtract you get 25.36. Now let's take another question on solution of triangle. This is the figure given, this x degrees, y degrees, and what you have to find out, AB you have to find out, AC you have to find out, then sin x plus cos x, cot y plus cosec y, and tan x plus secant y. Now to get AB, use Pythagoras theorem to the whole triangle. ABD triangle, AB squared is equal to AD squared plus BD squared. AD is 8 and this is 9 plus 6 gives you 15, so BD squared is 15 squared. So 8 squared is 64 plus 225, which gives you 289. So AB is root of 289. 289 square root is 70. So AB squared is 289. AB is 70. Now coming to the triangle ACD, again using Pythagoras theorem, AC squared is equal to 6 squared plus 8 squared. 6 squared is 36 plus 64 gives you 100. So AC is root of 100, which is 10. So we got this to be 10 and this to be 70. So we answer the first part. Now to find a sin x and cos x. Look at the angle x. Whenever x is asked, you have to only go to the triangle ACD. Whenever y is asked, we have to go to the complete triangle ABD. We can't take the triangle ABC because that is not a rectangle triangle. So for finding out sin x, cos x, or even tan x, we have to go to the triangle ACD. So now first question, all our angles are x, so we go to the triangle ACD. Sin x plus cos x. What is the sine definition? Sine is opposite by hypotenuse. So opposite is 6, hypotenuse 10, so 6 by 10. Plus, what is cos x? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent is 8, hypotenuse 10, so 8 by 10. So if you want, you can cancel it, or after taking LCM, you can cancel. 10 and 10 LCM is 10, 6 plus 8, 14. So 14 by 10 cancelling, 2 from that, 7 by 5. As a mixed fraction, 1 and 2 by 5. So that answers the second part. Now third part, cot y, cosec y. So y is the angle. So we need to the complete triangle ABD. So cot y plus cosec y. So cot y is adjacent by opposite. Adjacent is BD, opposite is AD. So BD by AD. What is BD? 15. What is AD? 8. So 15 by 8. Plus cosec y. Cosec y is the respect of sin y. So sin is opposite by hypotenuse. So this will be hypotenuse by opposite. Hypotenuse AB and opposite is AD. So AB by AD. So AB is 17 and AD is 8. So 17 by 8. Again LCM is 8. So to have become 15 plus 17, 32 by 8, which gives you 4. Now for the fourth part, we have x and y. So x, whenever x is used, you have to use this triangle. For y, we have to use the complete triangle. We want tan x plus secant y. So tan, when you use tan x, we have to use this triangle ACD. Tan is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is CD, adjacent is AD. So CD by AD. CD is 6, AD is 8, so 6 by 8. Plus sec of y. Sec is the reciprocal of cos. Cos is what? Adjacent by hypotenuse. So this will be hypotenuse by adjacent. So it will be AB by adjacent is BD. AP is 17 and BD is 15. So if you want, you can cancel it. 2 cancel 3 by 4. 17 by 15. LCM is 60. To have become 3 into 15, 45 plus 4 into 17, 68, which gives you 113 divided by 60 as a mixed fraction, 1953 by 60. 1953 by 60.